Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your home. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 1, decimals, and it is our summary lecture. Today's subtopics are decimal place value chart, like and unlike decimal fractions, multiplication and division of decimal fractions and its properties. Along with this, we will do practice sums. Let's start with our first topic, decimals. Decimal number system was first used in India. A decimal number can also be called as a decimal fraction. Look here, decimal place value chart. In decimal place value chart, two parts are there, whole number part and decimal part. These both are separated with a decimal point. To the left side, whole number part containing ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. And here, after decimal here to the right side, 10th, 100th, 1000th and 10,000. And when we move from right to left, in each step there is multiplication by 10. And when we move from left to right, division by 10. Let's understand from here, ones to tens. Ones, 1 multiplied by 10, we will get tens. Tens multiplied by 10, we will get hundreds. And now, hundreds divided by 10, we will get tens. So, we are moving now from left to right. Understood? So, see this place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. These are the whole number part. Then decimal point, 10th, 100th, 1000, 10,000th. Understood? 10th, 1 upon 10. 100th, 1 upon 100. 1000th, 1 upon 1000. 10,000th, DTHS. Look here. 1 upon 10,000. Right? Like decimal fractions. Two or more decimal fractions are called like decimals if they have equal number of decimal places. For example, 0.33, 10.91, these are like decimals because see, after decimal 2 digits and here after decimal 2 digits having 2 decimal places. After decimal we are getting 2 digits, means there are 2 decimal places in both these given numbers. So these are examples of like decimals. Unlike decimal fractions, 2 or more decimal fractions are called unlike decimals if they have different number of decimal places. For example, 8.2, 8.51, 8.322. So after decimal 1 place, after decimal 2 places, after decimal 3 places. So different number of places are there. So these are the examples of unlike decimal fractions. Properties of multiplication of decimal numbers. The product of a decimal and a whole number multiplied in any order remains the same. This is our first property. When we are changing the order, product will not change. 0.8 multiplied by 11 is equal to 11 multiplied by 0.8. 11 8s are 88. Now put decimal 8.8. Here also 8 multiply 11 or 11 multiply 8. We are getting 88. And when we are putting decimal in our answer, then it will become 8.8 in both the cases. The product of two decimal numbers remain the same even if the order is changed. When we are changing the order, product will not change. This is now for both, if both the numbers are in decimal form. 2.5 multiplied by 0.6 or 0.6 multiplied by 2.5 or 2.5. Always we are getting the product in both the cases 1.50. The product of a decimal fraction and 1 is the decimal fraction itself. Means when a decimal fraction is multiplied by 1, we will get the number itself. 1.09 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1.09. Number 4, the product of a decimal fraction and 0 is 0. When a decimal fraction is multiplied by 0, result is always 0. How? Look here. 1.56 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. And a decimal fraction multiplied by 0 will give the answer 0. Number 5. While performing multiplication in the decimals, the numbers can be taken in any order and the product remains the same. While performing multiplication of decimals, numbers can be in any order, like 0.4 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 2. So we will do first simple multiplication. 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40. And now after decimal 1 and 1, 2 places are there. So once tens put decimal, our answer will become 0.40. Now when we have changed the places, interchanging is done. 0.5 multiply 2 multiply by 0.4. 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40. And when we are putting decimal, we will get 0.40. So we are getting always the same product. Now next is multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, etc. When we multiply with 10, 100, 1000, we will put directly 0 with the given number to the right side. See this first question. 534.7 multiplied by 10. When we are removing this decimal, denominator will become 10 because after decimal there is one digit. Now 10 numerator, 10 denominator, this will cancel. So our answer will become 5347. Or now I will tell you how to shift the decimal. 534.7 multiplied by 10. Now as multiply by 10 is there, so decimal will shift one place forward. 10 contains 1 0. So decimal will shift one place to the right. So one place to the right, it will become 5347.0, or we can say 5347. Next question is question number 2. Find the product 98.26 multiplied by 100. 98.26, it is 9826 upon 100 because after decimal 2 digits are there, so denominator will become 100. Multiply by 100. 100 and 100. 100 ones are 100. 100 ones are 100. Will cancel. Now the number left is 9826 upon 1, that is 9826. Or when we are shifting decimal, how it will be done? 98.26 multiply by 100. Now 100 contains 2 zeros. So decimal will shift 2 places forward. 1 and 2. It will come after 6. So our answer will become 9826 decimal 0. Or simply we can say 9826. Similarly, if we are getting any number, decimal number, multiply by 1000, then decimal will move 3 places to the right. If it is multiplied by 10, decimal will move 1 place to the right. Multiply by 100, decimal will move 2 places to the right. Multiply by 1000, then decimal will move 3 places to the right. Now after understanding the definitions and properties, we will do practice sums. Our first practice sum is write as decimal. 4 and 692,000. 4 is a whole number part and 692,000. So 4 decimal 692. 692,000 means 6 is at 10th place, 9 is at 100th place and 2 is at 1000th place. Right? Question number 2. Write in expanded form 64.23. 64 is a whole number part, that is 60 plus 4 plus 0.2, that is 2/10, plus 0.03 because 3 is at 100th place. So its place value will become 0.03. In expanded form, basically we are taking place values of each digit and then we are putting plus sign between them. Expand means to open. Question number 3. Change into like decimals. Change into like decimals. 183.183, 341.43, 800.0084. Like decimals. And that we have done now. Decimals having same number of places after decimal. So see 1, 2, 3 places in this first number. 1, 2, 2 places in second number. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So maximum is 4. So to make it like, we will take 4 places after decimal in each number. So our first number will become 183.1830. 0 will be taken to the right side, not in between. 341.4300. 800.0084. Now these are converted into like decimals. Question number 4. Arrange in ascending and in descending order. 107.08, 107.81, 107.80, 107.88. So first of all, we will check the whole number part when we are going to arrange either in ascending or in descending. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Descending order, bigger to smaller. So ascending order, smaller to bigger. So we have to search the smaller one. That is 107, 107, 107, 107. Means whole number part is same. So we will check now decimal part. Decimal 08, decimal 81, decimal 80, decimal 88. So decimal 08 is the shortest, smallest. It will become first number. Then 107 decimal 80. Then 107 decimal 81 and 107 decimal 88. So ascending order is equal to 107.08 is less than 107.80. 107.80 is less than 107.81. 107.81 is less than 107.88. This is our ascending order. Now descending order. Descending order, bigger to smaller. So bigger is 107.88. 107.88 is bigger than 107.81. 107.81 is bigger than 107.80. 107.80 is bigger than 107.08. Question number 5. Convert into fraction. 100.1. Convert into fraction means numerator upon denominator form. 100.1, it can be written as 1001 upon 10 because after decimal there is one digit. So denominator will become 10. Right? So its fraction form is 1001 upon 10. Question number 6. Convert into decimal. 2 upon 10,000. 2 upon 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are in denominator. And so to put decimal, we want 4 digits in numerator. We have only 2. So we will put 3 zeros to before 2, not after 2. अगर हम after put करेंगे, it will become 2000. So we will put before 2. 0002 upon 10,000 is equal to 0.0002. So 4 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 put a decimal. 0.0002 is the decimal form. Our next question is add rupees 205.40, rupees 80.75 and rupees 1493.50. So we will add solution. rupees 205 decimal 40. Below this, we will write down rupees 80 decimal 75. Decimal should be in vertical line so that we will get the correct answer. Decimal के नीचे decimal आना चाहिए, right? And then 1493 decimal 50. Then you will do addition 0 plus 5 plus 0. It will give 5. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 6, 1 carry. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 9, 17. 7, 1 carry. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 0 will become 1 only. So our answer is rupees 1779 decimal 65. Question number 8. Subtract rupees 8 decimal 93 from rupees 13 decimal 94. From is written. Bigger is 13 decimal 94. So 13 decimal 94 minus 8 decimal 93. 4 minus 3, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 8, not possible. So it will take 1. Borrow. 13 decimal 8. 5. 0 was there. So if you want, you can write as 0. So our answer is 5 decimal 01. As rupees is given in the question, so we have to write down rupees also in our solution. So rupees 5 decimal 01 is our answer. Next question is question number 9. Find 91 decimal 32 multiply by 83. Means we have to find out the product. So we will not consider decimal. We will do simple multiplication. 9132 multiply by 83. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 9s are 27. Now we will start multiplication with 8. So we will put here cross sign or 0. Now 8 2s are 16. 6. 1 carry. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. 5 2 carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 2 10. 0 1 carry. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 1 73. Now we will add 6 plus 0 6. 9 plus 6 15. 5 1 carry. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 1 9. 7 plus 0 7. 2 plus 3 5 and 7. Now we will write down the question again having decimal. 91 decimal 32 multiply by 83 is equal to. Now write down this product. 757,956. What is this number? 7,57,956. Now we will put decimal. After decimal there are 2 digits in our question. So count from the ones place. Ones, tens, now put decimal. So our answer has become 7,579 decimal 56. Now question number 10. Find 1 decimal 2 divided by 25. Now the question is of division. 1 decimal 2 means 12 upon 10. Decimal will be removed. Denominator will become 10. Divided by 25. 12 upon 10. Divide will replace into multiply. 25 will become, we will take reciprocal, 1 upon 25. So 12 ones are 12. 10 multiply 25, 250. So 12 divided by 250. Don't take reverse. Okay. Numerator is 12. It will become dividend. 250 is divisor. Now division is not possible. So put decimal and include 0 here. Now it is 120. Again it is less than 250. Take one more 0. 250 and 1200. So 250 4s are 1000. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now 200. Remainder we don't want. Take one more 0. Now consider this 0 here. Number has become 2000. 258s are 2000. 2000 minus 2000, 0. Now remainder is 0. Division is completed. Now we will put decimal. In our dividend after decimal there are 3 digits. So count from ones place. Ones, tens. Put 0 if no digit is there. Ones, tens, 100 and then put decimal. So our answer has become 0.048. Question number 11. Write the decimal. 4 whole 1 upon 4. 4 fours are 16 plus 1. 17 upon 4 is our question. Question is given in the form of fraction and we have to write it in the form of decimal. 17 divided by 4. 4 fours are 16. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 is remainder. Put decimal and consider 0 here. Now 4 twos are 8. 10 minus 8, 2. 2 remainder. We don't want remainder. Take one more 0. Now the number has become 20. 4 fives are 20. 20 minus 20, 0 is remainder. Now after decimal in our dividend there are 2 digits. So count from ones place, ones, tens, then put decimal. 4 decimal 25 is our answer. Question number 12. These all are our practice sums. The product of two numbers is 42.63. If one number is 2.1, find the other. Product of two numbers 42.63. One number 2.1. Product means दो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई किए हुए हैं आपस में, उन दोनों में वन नंबर भी हमें मालूम है. To find the other number, if we are dividing the product with one number, we will get the other number. So, other number is equal to 42.63 divided by 2.1. If you see this division, see, if we are doing simple division, long division without considering decimal, 21 twos are 42. Then 6 is there less than 21. We will take next digit. So we will put 0. 21 3s are 63. So when we are dividing, we will get our product, our answer, that is quotient 203. Now here 203. After decimal there are 2 digits in our dividend. So we will put decimal now. So look here, we have both the numbers with decimal. So we have to first of all check that in our quotient where we have to put the decimal. In dividend after decimal 2 digits. In divisor after decimal 1 digit. 2 minus 1, 1. So in our quotient there will be 1 digit after decimal. So count 1 digit, that is ones place. Now put decimal. So our answer has become 20.3. The other number is 20.3. Question number 13. A tank has 908.64 liter of water. This has to be poured into buckets of capacity 50.48 liter. Find the number of buckets required. एक टैंक में 908.64 लीटर पानी है और इसे हमें 50.48 लीटर की कैपेसिटी की बकेट्स में डालना है. तो कितनी बाल्टियां हमें चाहिए कि ये पानी पूरा उसमें डल जाए. सो सॉल्यूशन, अ टैंक हैज वाटर 908.64 लीटर. कैपेसिटी ऑफ वन बकेट, कैपेसिटी होती है क्षमता, कितना पानी उसमें आ सकता है, 50.48 लीटर. नंबर ऑफ बकेट्स रिक्वायर्ड 908.64 liter divided by 50.48 liter. After decimal 2 digits in numerator, after decimal 2 digits in denominator. So decimal will be removed. When we will remove it, 100 will become here numerator and 100 denominator. Both 100 will cancel each other. So our number will become 90864 upon 5048. That is 90,864 divided by 5,048. Now we will cut it with 2 because both are even numbers. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. If you don't know cutting, you can do division also in rough column. Now 2524 multiplied by 18 will give you the answer 45,432. Roughly we have done this multiplication. So 2524 ones are and 2524 18s are. We will cut down. So 18 buckets are required. Understood? Next question, question number 14. The weight of a suitcase is 2/3 of the weight of a trunk and the weight of a bag is 1/10 of the total weight of the suitcase. There is a relation. Weight of the suitcase is 2/3 of the weight of the trunk. Suitcase का weight trunk के weight का 2/3 है. And the weight of bag is 1/10 of the total weight of the suitcase. If the weight of the trunk is 21.60 kilogram, what is the total weight of suitcase and the bag? So first of all, weight of the suitcase is equal to 2/3 of the weight of the trunk. So that is 2/3 multiplied by weight of the trunk, we know 21.60 kilogram. Understood? So 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, 3 twos are 6 and 0. Now it is 2 multiplied by 7.20, that is 14.40 kilogram. Remove decimal if you want, or directly you can solve it. We have removed because we will cancel 0 here. 1440 upon 100. 1 0 will cancel. 144 upon 10, that is 14.4 kilogram. This is the weight of suitcase. Now we know weight of the suitcase, so we can calculate the weight of bag. Weight of the bag is equal to 1/10 of 14.4 kilogram, or we can write down 1/10 of 144 upon 10 kilogram. Right? Now again upon 1 of 144, that is 1 multiply 144, that is 144 kilogram only. 10 tens are 100. 144 के नीचे 100 है, so our answer will become 1.44 kilogram. Weight of the bag is 1.44 kilogram. Question number 15. Pramod needed 1.30 meter of cloth for shirt and 2.75 meter for a pant of a safari suit. प्रमोद को एक सूट बनवाना है तो उसको 1.3 मीटर क्लॉथ चाहिए शर्ट के लिए और 2.75 मीटर चाहिए पैंट के लिए. His uncle gifted a piece of cloth but the cloth fell short by 0.85 meter. प्रमोद के अंकल ने उसको एक क्लॉथ पीस गिफ्ट दिया बट वो उसका सफारी सूट से 0.85 मीटर छोटा था. What was the length of cloth gifted by his uncle? तो अंकल ने जो क्लॉथ दिया उसकी लेंथ कितनी थी? प्रमोद needed cloth 30 meter plus 2.75 meter. So we will do addition, that is 4.05 meter of the cloth is needed. Cloth fell short by कितना छोटा पड़ गया? 0.85 meter. Cloth he got as a gift. उसको अपने अंकल से जो क्लॉथ मिला वो कितना था? 4.05 minus 0.85. जितना छोटा था हम उसको टोटल क्लॉथ से माइनस कर देंगे. 3.20 meter cloth was gifted by Pramod's uncle. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is do assignment 1 of chapter 1. Chapter 1 decimals. Assignment will be given to you on website. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 8. So take out your books, notebooks. Worksheet questions were given. First question B part, addition 12.500 kilometer plus 18.420 kilometer plus 20.475 kilometer. Simple addition is here. Check your answer. Are you getting 51.595 kilometer? Question 2 was given. Subtract 938.180 minus 36.885. 0 minus 5 not possible, so it will take borrow. From 8, 8 will become 7. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 8 not possible, so it will again take borrow. From 1, 1 will become 0. 17 minus 8, 9. 0 will take again borrow. It will become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 901 decimal 295. B part, 78 decimal 796 minus 48 decimal 357. 6 minus 7, not possible. So, it will take borrow from 9. It will become 16. 16 minus 7, 9. 9 will become 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. So, your answer is 30 decimal 439. Question number 3. Options were given. A part 3 decimal 45 multiply by 1 decimal 2. If you have done multiplication in rough column, definitely you got the answer 4140. Now after decimal, there should be 3 digits in your answer. So our answer will become 4 decimal 140, which is your option A. So you will put tick mark in your book if you are doing in book. Option A is correct. If you don't have book, then you have to solve in your notebook. B part was there 7 decimal 56 multiply 5 decimal 50. So when you have done multiplication in rough column, you have got your answer 756 multiply 55. Your answer is 41,580. One more 0 is there, so we will put 0 to the right. Now put decimal. After decimal we want 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put decimal. 41 decimal 5800, or we can say 41 decimal 58, which is your option C. If you have got correct answers, then very good. Otherwise, you will do correction work. Thank you. Have a nice day. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you.